Here are my 5 tips for starting a Shopify store. So, the first thing is you need to save costs, and with the link in the description, your Shopify store for the first 3 months will cost $1. So, you will save $120. You can play around, you can learn, and you can build from that and save the cost. Second thing is always use Shopify free themes. There is also a video about it. I suggest to start with the down because it's the most popular one and the most easiest one to set it up. The third thing is look for good products with good margins. Don't go with all products and long descriptions and so on. Just have a good product with good photos, with good descriptions, simple ones, and have a good competitive pricing. And I suggest also to sell it on Amazon, on Etsy, on all other channels for that product. So the fourth thing is do the math. If you can even make the profit after ad costs, after the Shopify costs, after the taxes, if you have to pay, do the math if your product and your online store is scalable. The first thing you do it for the learning purpose. Second thing is if you can make profit. That's the most important thing. And the fifth thing is don't copy the content from TikTok. Order the product and create your own content and create daily and post on TikTok and all other social media channels to get some kind of customer attention. That's how you get the first sales, organic ones. So good luck building on your first Shopify store, and the link is on the description to start with $1 per month.